Hi, welcome to the Practical Cybersecurity Bootcamp. This course will cover penetration testing and its various types on a fundamental level. This course, by all means, is not all inclusive. We will cover everything on a fundamental level. So that's why it is recommended for beginners or people who have some basis in information technology but are new to cybersecurity field and penetration testing and want to work their way up in the professional cybersecurity ladder. At the end of this course, I will share some resources that will further help you guys in your skill building and self improvement. And I'm sure after you guys are finished with this course, you will have a better understanding of what penetration testing is, how it works, and you will also have some tools and skills under your grasp, which, when combined with your practice and self learning, will surely help you in becoming a substantial contributor in the ever growing information security industry. So, who am I? I am a SOC/slash vulnerability assessment and penetration testing consultant. I have several years of field experience, tested and secured several corporate projects ranging from information management systems to web applications. And also in the blue team, I have been part of various SOC environments, have worked on various theme deployments and fine tuning. Talking about my certifications and my credentials, I've shared my experience with you, but when it comes to certification, I've done some popular ones. This is not all inclusive, but I've done ECPPT from Elend Security, Certified SOC Practitioner from Network Intelligence, Cybersecurity Analyst certification from IBM, and CYSA Plus from CompTIA. Topics covered in the course. We will cover various topics in our course related to penetration testing, and this will include theory and mostly practical demonstrations pertaining to various types of things that are part of penetration testing. So, first of all, what is penetration testing? Penetration testing, often referred to as pen testing, is a proactive and methodological approach to assessing the security of computer systems, networks, and applications. It simulates real world cyber attacks to uncover vulnerabilities and weaknesses that malicious actors would exploit. By mimicking the techniques of potential hackers, ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, identify security flaws and provide actionable recommendations to fortify an organization's defenses. So, in short, penetration testing is like a digital stress test for security. It mimics real attacks to find weaknesses and helps organizations bolster their protection. Think of it as a safety check for the digital world. So, what are some modules we will cover in the course? We'll start with reconnaissance, which can also be synonymized with information gathering, how we can collect intelligence on our target. We'll also cover the 5 steps of ethical hacking, which form the basis of our penetration testing journey. Then, we'll also learn how we can actively probe our target during the vulnerability assessment and scanning phase. And then, how we can use that information to exploit our target in the exploitation phase. All of these phases will have some kind of practical demonstration, which will provide you with strong base for your professional development in the cybersecurity and penetration testing industry. Then we will cover password cracking, which comes under the post-exploitation phase. We cannot cover post-exploitation fully, but we will learn how we can use different kinds of tools to crack various common types of passwords and hashes after the exploitation phase. Then we will cover a very important field of penetration testing, which is web application penetration testing. And again, this will just be summarized and brief look at what we can do in web app penetration testing. And this will build upon our previous modules. So we will look at various tools and methodologies which are used to do penetration, web application penetration testing. And after we are done with this module, you will have a good grasp on this particular and very interesting penetration testing field. Then we will cover wireless penetration testing. And in wireless penetration testing, we will look at how we can actually test the security of Wi-Fi networks, especially the WPA PSK2 Wi-Fi standard, which is often implemented in organizations and homes alike. Then in the social engineering phase, there will be a practical demonstration of phishing in which we will look at the GoFish framework and how we can utilize that to our phishing assessments. And then finally, we will conclude our course with reporting, how we can generate a pen testing report, what constitutes a penetration testing report, and what is the difference between a good and a bad penetration testing report. After the reporting section is done, I will share some resources with you guys, some labs, some certifications, and some cybersecurity wisdom I've collected through my journey. It will definitely help you climb the profession ladder of penetration testing and cybersecurity industry. So, without further ado, let's get to our first topic, which is reconnaissance.